Hello, what's up guys? Welcome to another fantastic video. Guys, in today's video we are going to be talking about this amazing platform called TransferWise. So I'm going to show you different things that you're going to learn about this particular platform called TransferWise. Okay, so it's actually a very nice platform because it actually gives you a lot of stuff that you want in a bank. Okay, so guys, if you have not known, this is a business account and you can actually create your TransferWise account using a personal account or a business account. I own the both of them. I have a personal account and I also own a business account. So this is my business, Co-Web Digital LLC. So this is to confirm that it's a business account. Now, one thing I love about this platform, which we are going to be talking about in details very soon, is this platform is actually very easy to set up. So either you're setting up a business account or a personal account, if you have all your documentation and all your papers complete, it's easy to set up. So you just go ahead, go to their website wise.com and set up your account. Now I'm going to talk about the benefits of having this account, and I'm also going to talk about some of the things I don't like about the platform. So make sure you watch the video. So one good thing I like about the platform is with your business account, I'm going to be dwelling more on the personal and the business account because that is the one I use most often. I don't usually use the personal account so much, but with the business account I use it. Okay, so this is my business account. Now one good thing I love about this business account is you can actually create bank accounts in different currencies. Okay, so this is my USD account, this is my euros, this is my pound. Okay, so if I click on any of this, if you go to account details, you're going to find your account details right here. So once you know how to navigate the platform, you're going to be getting lots of account details. Okay, if I want more, I just need to click on add the currency. I can say open the balance, and then I need to select the currency I want. So very simple. So it's very simple to create all these bank accounts from different countries right here on TransferWise. That was one thing I love about the platform. Now another good thing I love about the platform, which is number 2, is the card payment. So you can actually make use of your card. So recently, before, if you register a business with a US LLC, you are not going to be given this card access. But right now, I just found out that you can actually create digital cards. Now this feature is open. Just recently they opened this feature. Okay, a few months ago, if you want to create a card, it's going to tell you to come back, that they don't allow. Currently they don't support US businesses. They can open a card for you if you have a UK business and use your UK business to register your account. But right now with an LLC document, you can actually create a card. As you can see, I have a card already created. Now this is a digital card. Now if you want a physical card, it's simple. You can go ahead to order a physical card, and I think the first one you order is for free. Okay, I think your first, yes, this is it, your first physical card free. Your digital card is always instant and free, so it's instant to get a digital card. And while your physical card will arrive within 13 days, and it's free also for the first one. So that's one thing I like about the platform, the fact that you can make use of the cards very easy. I mean, I can pay stuff online from my account using this card. Like I said, they just added this feature back in, so that was exactly why I've not really been using the card so much. I have a card that I use, a digital card that I use from GBP but this Wise, very fantastic. Now another good thing I love about the platform is ease of use in general. Like as you can see, everything is very easy, and if you go to Play Store or Apple Play Store, you can download their app and use this thing on the go. You don't need to waste time. Everything is super easy to understand and super simple. Okay, so another good thing I love about the platform is the fact that this platform actually integrates with some tools. Okay, so if you have some accounting tools, for instance, you want to add some of your accounting tools. So if I go to I'm looking for where I'll find those tools. So if I go to let's go to I'm coming, I'm looking for where I got the tools then. So you can actually integrate. One thing I know is that you can actually integrate this platform with a lot of other softwares that is actually going to help you manage your business. Okay, so if you go to Teams, or I'm just trying to get exactly where I'm going to find those tools. So right now I did find what I wanted to show you, but one thing I want you to know is that this platform can easily be integrated to other platforms like QuickBooks and some of your accounting software. So if you want to specifically know exactly how that works and how you can do that, then tell me in the comment section and I might consider making a detailed video for you when I see that you're interested. Okay, so those are the things I love about the platform and many more. There are so many other things I like about the platform. The fact that you can create invoices, you can actually create payment links. All of these are very, very fantastic because they are actually nice and they show that this platform actually have businesses and people doing business in mind before they went ahead to create this platform called Wise. Okay, so those are the good things I love about the platform. If there are more, I'm going to talk about it. If not, just know there are more, but I maybe skipped my head at the moment. So one good, or let's say one bad thing I hate about the platform. So we have talked about the good parts about the platform. Now I want to talk about the bad parts or some of the things I dislike about the platform. So one thing I dislike about the platform is, as of today I am making this video, USD Bank for US registered businesses living outside of the US in countries like Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nigeria, all of us who don't have a USD account for our business. Now what I mean is, if you are creating a business account, you will be given a USD account if you're in a country that is not supported. Okay, so that's one thing I don't like about the platform, the fact that they don't want to supply us with the US bank details just like they did with other accounts, other female account, other accounts. Okay, so that's one bad thing I don't like about the platform. Okay, so another thing I don't like about the platform is very simple, and that is the fact that the platform you know so another thing I don't like about the platform, like I was saying, is the fact that Wise can actually ask you to provide your payment gateway, provide your documents at any time, even after verifying your account. Now, don't get me wrong. Why don't I understand that that is actually the standard because you need to know your customer, yeah? But the fact that each time you do this, they keep asking you to do it. I mean, this is my experience. I don't know if it's like that for other people, but this is the things I don't like about the platform. Now, I've talked about things that I like about Wise and things I don't like. So my verdict is, go ahead and create this Wise account because you actually need it for your business. Trust me, all these bank accounts, if you want to get them, it's not going to be easy, but Wise is actually going to make it so easy for you to get. Okay, so go ahead, keep using the platform Wise. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. I just wanted to tell you guys that this card feature in Wise here is already working, so everything is almost done and ready. So that's exactly why I'm giving you this information. Thank you very, very much for watching this video. I want to believe this video was helpful in a way. So if it was, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell notification icon so that you won't miss any video once I drop them on this channel. Thank you very, very much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.